All right, we are here with Jeff Pabs from PFAFF Auto Work. So Jeff, what are you excited to see at CCIF tonight?
Just checking out the vendors, talking to some people, networking.
Any products you've got your eye on tonight?
I've looked at a few, yeah.
Kind of just keeping it a secret over
Yeah,
here.
secret, yeah.
So what about 2020? We just started a new year. What are you excited for this year in 2020? Some trends or predictions for the industry?
Yeah, that's a tough one. I think, for ourselves, we're very focused on the certifications and the OEM manufacturing procedures. So, for us, we're just doing what we always do and trying to drive that business to our door. Really.
Yeah. Is there anything you're excited for in 2020?
Some expansion we're working on.
Awesome.
So a couple new locations potentially. So.
Wow, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Jeff, for talking to us. Have a great time tonight.
All right, thank you.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.